Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download Instagram data. If you're using Instagram and you want to download your Instagram data, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right, and here just tap on three horizontal lines at the top right, and then select account center, then select your information and permissions. Select export your information here and just wait for loading. Now on this page, you must have to tap on create export, select your Instagram account, select export device, and here you just have to select your data you want to download. Just select customize informations, and you can unselect or uncheck which you want to not download. If you want to download everything you have in your Instagram account, just select all available informations and then just select the start export option. So once you have select the start export, you'll get on this page. You must have to re-enter your Instagram account password. Once you have entered your Instagram account password, just have a continue option and just wait for loading here. And here you can see that your information is being prepared for export. Will let you know when it's ready. So when your download will be ready, it will send you a notification on your mail address, or it will send you a notification from your Instagram app. And after that, you can easily download all of your informations or data from this section. You'll get the download option here, and you can download all of information using the download option from here. So in this way, you can easily download your Instagram data. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.